Gentlemen, my name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to make a girl think about you non-fucking-stop. Now, a lot of this content and advice might be a little bit toxic, but it works. Okay, it works. Sit back, hang tight, and let's jump straight. All right, so you got a girl and you want her to like you. You want her to think about you, okay? Here's what you do. There's a few things you can do. And obviously, it depends on the relationship and how far you are into it. But if you want a girl to think about you nonstop, you got to be DMing her. You got to be letting her know how you feel. And this advice is going to work more for a girl who already likes you more than like a girl who doesn't even care about you. Because, yeah, if you're trying to make the girl who doesn't like you think about you nonstop, it's probably not going to happen. Because she doesn't like you, right? But if you want to make a girl who already likes you like you a lot, this is the advice you fucking need to follow. You need to hook up with her. And when you hook up with her, you need to make sure it's the best sexual experience she's ever had in her life, okay? My general philosophy is if I like a girl and we end up having sex, I make sure it's the best sex she's ever had, hands down. I make sure to give her the best fucking sex she's ever fucking had, ever. Then what you want to make sure you do is after sex, you let her know that you don't want it to be a one night stand. You want to see her again. However, you don't want to over-validate her. The issue with a lot of guys is they over-validate women. When you like a girl, you almost don't want to give all your cards away. You don't want to tell her how you're feeling. You almost want to keep her second guessing. You almost want to be a mystery to her. You want to elicit strong emotions in her. And the way you do that is by not truly letting her know how you feel, okay? Now, this might even contradict a lot of my other advice. Like in a lot of my videos, tell you to communicate, let her know how you feel, tell her what's on your mind. However, if you want to make a girl obsess over you and really confused, don't give all your cards away. Don't let her know exactly how you're feeling, okay? And it's going to make her really think about you a lot because you'll be thinking, does he like me? Does he hate me? Does he love me? Does he love me not? Does he love me? Does he love me not, right? She'll be thinking about that. She'll be thinking, does he like me? Does he like me? Does he want to be with me? And that should be your goal. Your goal should be to make her like you and to make her want you and to not give her certainty. Don't give her the certainty, okay? And keep seeing her almost like you want to string her along. It's really what you want to do. You almost want to string her along. You want to be this like cold, icy, almost non-communicative douchebag who spends a lot of time with her, doesn't really validate her. And right as she's pulling away, you give her a little bit of attraction and interest. Here you go. Boop, 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 boop. There you go. Just enough to keep her on the hook. Just enough to keep her on the hook, okay? This will make a woman obsessed with you, okay? If you look at a lot of these guys that women obsess over, the funny thing they have in common is these guys, they don't over-validate the woman. It's like the woman is always thinking, like, does he actually even like me or not? Like, does he even like me? It's almost as if, like, once you tell the woman you like her, she's validated. She'll, like, run away. She's got it. She's like, yeah, got it. Got the validation. Time to run away. So don't over-validate her. And keep her on the hook. Keep her hooked. Just follow this advice and watch your relationships change. Watch the relationships you end up change, okay? And then here's the best part. Once you've got her, once she likes you, make her jealous. Post pictures with other girls, post videos with other girls, post content with other girls on Instagram or your Instagram story, and then DM her, ask her to hang out. Ask her to kick it. Ask her to hang out. You will drive her crazy. She will start obsessing over you. She won't be able to stop thinking about you because she'll be thinking, wow, this guy's all these crazy girls around him. He's all these cool things going on for him. And he's talking to me, asking me to hang out. I'm not even sure if he likes me, but he's asking me to hang out. And she's going to be going nuts over you, okay? She's going to be going nuts over you. Now, I'm not going to lie, this isn't the most healthy relationship dynamic to have. This isn't the most healthy relationship dynamic to enter, but it is a good way to make a girl obsessed with you. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, VIP lifestyle development coach. And I'm the guy who teaches you how to play the game. I'm the guy who teaches you how to play the game and win. Okay. So follow my content here on YouTube and subscribe. Click the bell notification so you're notified new videos. And what I want you to do is go check out our new channel, the Wingman Podcast. Wingmanpodcast.com, or search up the Wingman Podcast on YouTube or on Spotify. Check that out, please. It's awesome. You'll love it. It's going to change your life. The content is fucking awesome. And yeah, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. DrunkJustin2. Follow me on Instagram and message me if you have any questions. And we can actually be friends on Instagram. You can message me if you have any questions. And you can actually watch my daily Instagram stories. See the lifestyle you can live just by watching my Instagram stories. You can actually create that for yourself as well. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Watch my daily Instagram stories. You're going to love it. And then also make sure to go to justinmarc.com and schedule a free one-on-one consultation call with me. What you can do is go to justinmarc.com and schedule a call with me, and we will get in touch. You and me. I'll call you, and if you qualify, we'll bring you into one of our coaching programs, one of my boot camps or my immersion programs, and we'll change your life forever. We'll change your thoughts, your beliefs, your mindset, your habits, your communication skills, your confidence, and we'll help you transform over the course of an 8-day immersion program where we teach you all these mastery levels of social skills and communication skills when it comes to meeting women, dating, and just changing your life forever. JustinMarc.com, and we'll see you there. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I love teaching you guys this stuff. I love helping you with it. So if you have any questions, leave in the comments down below or message me on Instagram. I'll talk to you soon in a new video. Peace out.